Welcome back to One Day Productions, where one day is a dream, one day to reality. In today's video, we're going to be doing some basic service on my 2018 Infiniti Q50 Sport, Silver Sport. Let me show you. We're going to be doing windshield wipers and the cabin air filter. So let's get back into it. First, you turn on the car. Well, it doesn't have to be on, but push this up twice. This lever, you put it up twice, and then it comes up here. You see? We're gonna shut the door because it's gonna be annoying. And then you pull this up, pull this one up. We're gonna put the towel on the windshield just in case, you know, this happens. And we're not trying to have it happen here. You feel me? God forbid. And just a little protection is better than no protection. So then you come over here. You see this right here? And then you're gonna push this button. Let me turn on. So mine were on for a minute, so they were kind of hard. You have to push it down. You gotta put some force, don't be scared. And then once you do, you just twist it right here, you see? Let me redo it. So there's this piece right here, you're gonna lift up. Wait, it's there. This piece right here. This, you're gonna lift this up, push it down, and then you're gonna flip it this way, and then it could just come straight out. See, I did do it a little too hard, you know, but it happens. Windshield's okay, windshield wiper's okay, so we're ball, we play game, you know. Now we're gonna open, take out the instructions. This is if you have a different style to lock in, I believe. Now you just, there we go. Pull it out. Reference for size. That's the right size, 17 inches. So again, you're gonna flip this upside down. I mean, back up. You're gonna lift that up. You're gonna come over here. Insert the hook. Don't be afraid to do some force. You're gonna hear it clicking just like you did now. Then you're gonna lock that in place. All right, now clean up after yourself. Like this, like that. My car is dirty, so don't make fun of me in the comment section. No, it's not that dirty, but passenger seat is. We're gonna clean that out. Now, you're gonna take this right here, put the instructions there, grab this right here, throw that there, set it down easily, set it down easily. All right, now we can put it back in place. Power button, one more. There you go. So I'm gonna show you again. See this right here? Put it up twice. See? Then it locks it in place. Once you're done, there you go. You don't have to turn off the car. I don't know why it says you have to. You don't. All right, now let's get to the in-cabin air filter. I'm going to show you all a fast way instead of having to take out the whole glove box and everything. Let's get to it. To AutoZone. I went to AutoZone to get everything. It was about $96 after tax. This is for my mother's truck. The rear went out. This is, I'm gonna clean 1, 2. Wait. All right. Clean enough. Now you're gonna open up your glove box, take all the goodies out. All right. Actually, you don't, no, yeah, you do. Let's go. All right, there we go. Now sit in, because it's gonna make it easier. All right. You're gonna pull it in from here and from here to lower it a little bit more. Right. So actually I lied, ignore that part where you do that. You don't do that, that's for a different car. You're gonna pull this part out. You're gonna, okay, then this side right here, you're gonna squeeze your hand in there a little bit. Then you're gonna unhook it. itself. Pull that out. See the filter? This is a Nissan filter. Dealer wanted way too much money. I think it was like $169 to do this. And I'm okay. I'd rather pay $27 in tax at AutoZone and play with it, like squeeze it out, just like how I'm doing now. Here's the filter. We can look at it real quick. It's not actually it's not. No, yeah, it does have a smell. Don't do that. But you guys can see all the dust, the dirt, road grime, allergens that it was blocking. And before you mess with it too much, open it up, double check. This is the one I got. I don't know the code. I just talking about. If y'all into cologne, comment down below, then maybe I'll show y'all my collection. So we're gonna spray it up a little bit. Hope that doesn't mess it up, but I always want to try it. One more for good luck. Let's go. We all how to put it back. You just kind of wiggle it out, and then you could just put it back in. Helps with the filter aligned. There you go. And you get this piece right here. And then you're gonna hook this cable here to the side of it right here, and then you'll be all right. With the flash, you gotta make sure it lines up. It goes in the hole over here, and in the hole over here, as you can see. If you accidentally get it disconnected from the wire is right here. The wire is pretty durable. You could pull it, and then just it hits the hook in by two places. One part hooks into the glove box itself, and then this piece right here goes into the line itself, and then you're good. Now you just put your junk back in the glove box. These are all my service records, so it's not really that, it's not junk, it's just the service records. Right, for watching this video, I hope it was informational. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or any comments about my video, how the quality of video, just let me know. Again, one day it's a dream, one day it's reality, and we out.